Hello, Pioneer. Did you know that the PiNetwork project is different from other projects that have existed? This project is unique. If you believe it, write in the comments. PiNetwork to the moon. Make sure you have to click the subscribe button to Pi News World. Ooh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know that you have already become a millionaire because of PiNetwork? Don't forget to like and comment on this video. The launch of Pi's open network in February connected its thriving ecosystem to the broader blockchain world and expanded its real-world functionality. Millions of pioneers are using Pi, tens of thousands of businesses are integrating it into their services, and many apps were built that address community and ecosystem needs and drive real engagement. This has showcased Pi's strength and stability for not just the Pi community, but also the broader crypto space and the internet. Pi Day 2025, Pi's 6th official anniversary, was celebrated on Friday, March 14th, and saw the expansion of the Pi ecosystem on all levels, be it local commerce, apps and platform-level utilities, leveraging the strength and collective resources of the global Pi community. Pi has already reaped the benefits of the work pioneers put into growing the network, contributing to network infrastructure, commerce integration, and utility building over the past 6 years. In support of expanding the Pi ecosystem and Pi's overall utility, Pi released several features on Pi Day, and the global PiFest shopping period started. These releases include a Pi domains auction, as well as an expansion of the Mainnet ecosystem application and a revamp of the Mainnet ecosystem UI. The .pi domains auction, introducing a new platform-level utility. Domains are an important infrastructure layer of any online ecosystem. Today, the expansion of the PI ecosystem starts by enabling participants and contributors of the PI ecosystem to have the opportunity to secure and have customized .pi domains for their businesses, brands, stores, content, apps, websites, and personal use. Pi has created a new platform-level utility for the community through the PI domains auction, harnessing the collective resources of the Pi community and the enabled external connectivity of the open network. Unlike many other virtual properties, the tangible value of .pi domains is backed by the attention and engagement of over 60 million pioneers worldwide, more than 19 million identity-verified individuals, over 12 million people on the blockchain, and more, externally via blockchain and third-party services, who are ready to transact, in addition to tens of thousands of merchants accepting Pi globally. The PI domains already possess clear, immediate, and measurable real-world use cases, as well as practical applications, with millions of people worldwide visiting the PiNetwork mobile app and Pi browser every day. These domains serve as unique identifiers or digital storefronts within the PI ecosystem, and specifically operate within a Web3 environment. They're compatible directly with the Pi browser, third-party wallets and services that integrate with this feature, or even via the extension of Pinay.com, which works with legacy browsers like Chrome or Safari. The auction, bidding and acquisition process for .pi domains will be executed using blockchain technology and Pi as the exclusive currency for payments. This leverages the Pi blockchain to ensure transparency, security, and direct utility of Pi cryptocurrency. The auction is open to pioneers, as well as those who can access Pi through centralized exchanges. The auction started on March 14th and will close on Pi Day, June 28th. The shopping period for the first PiFest following Open Network will run for a week, commencing on March 14th and ending on Friday, March 21st, 2025. With the full support of Open Network connectivity enabled, users can visit and shop at local Pi-powered businesses using Pi and discover such businesses through the Map of Pi app and engage actively through Pi's complete ecosystem for local commerce integration. The primary focus of PiFest is to boost local commerce and to showcase Pi's real-world utilities in use around the globe. For more information on the rules for the Pi domains auction and how it provides a platform-level utility for Pi, as well as Pi updates, expansion news, and a description of revamps to the Mainnet ecosystem, users can visit Pi's only official announcement. PiNetwork is a community of tens of millions of humans mining Pi cryptocurrency to use and build the web app ecosystem. Founded by a team of early innovators in blockchain and social computing, With PhDs from Stanford University, PiNetwork is a utilities-based ecosystem for third-party apps on a mobile web platform with widespread, rather than concentrated, token distribution. The blockchain platform offers a mobile-first mining approach with low financial cost and a light environmental footprint within the crypto space.